Cool kids, YouTube channel back at Fox Hills Mall, aka Westfield Culver City. And I did primarily come to see what's up with this Lids location. And this is pretty much a locker room by Lids. Technically not really, but pretty much. A bunch of $10 hats, fitted hats. Is that a Pirates?
So you know these are all $10?
Yep.
And then the 2 round racks, you get 30% off the orange price tag.
Cool. Thank you. Got Rams hats right here, and you guys heard it live. Well, you heard her straight up say it. Angels hats. These are all fitted hats. All going for $10. Not bad. Not bad. These are all newer hair hats. They're not like bootleg hats or nothing. So pretty decent. Pretty decent. And as the worker mentioned, 30% off the sales rack right here. I've never even seen this jersey. This is a LeBron jersey, and it's one of the city section. Is that what it is? One of the select jerseys. Creators in the paint. Yeah, this is number 6, so his older jersey. And it is what, 120? Oh, normally 175 or 120, and you get 30% off on top of that. Cowboys hoodie right here. This is a small though. This is a small. 49 for that one. This is a team apparel one though. But yeah, man. Steve Smith jerseys, 65 for both of these. Well, this one's a $40 one. Oh, this is a youth. That's why I was like, why is it so small? Got the cream color shorts right here. And these are a medium, $68. These shorter than the traditional ones. These seem a little shorter. 68 for all these. These are Raptor ones right there. And then even the Bulls ones. These are gonna be $68. Got a Barrett jersey. Just got traded this past weekend. So 85. You're gonna see this drop down to like $18 in a matter of a couple of weeks. Trae Young jersey going for $75. Got Lakers gear right here. That looks like a kid's. 47 brand adult. These go for $64. Non-OG Mitchell & S. There's a Malone jersey. I don't see a price tag for this one. Someone took off the Mitchell & S tag. Finally, a Lakers shorts. These are medium. There's no tags. I swear these are short, man. Yeah, these are like that. The younger kids ones. The ones that they like. Above the knee, which is effing weird. I'm sorry, dude. But yeah, San Diego, $80 for medium. Tropic Flint, $80 for these. Do get that 30% off, 85 for those right there. This is a medium. I was like, why does it feel so cheap? It's because it's a youth. But youth shorts, look at this. $11, 30% off, so what, $7? $7.60 or something like that, $7.50. Hella cheap for youth shorts. Got another youth shorts right there, down to 20. These are Raptors. This is a men's one right here. Oh, that's a youth as well, but it is an XL. Probably similar to like probably similar to a small, probably a small adult. But yeah, not bad. These are all $68. Those are the XLs. These large ones, these are all $68. Raptors. That was the Bulls. No, 76ers. Did look around. They got plenty of dope stuff. Everything is regular price. They do have a little sales rack in the middle. And I believe that's like the movie jerseys and stuff like that. Kind of. Or is that the Negro Baseball League? But yeah, something of that sort. They do have hats for $10 as well. We took a look at quite a few of those already. Checking out the second 30% off rack right here. These are $65. These are Lakers. I thought it was the Nuggets, but yeah, these are the Lakers MPLS shorts. $65. 50% off would be worth it. 30% off, not in my opinion. So I'm gonna hope that they sit right there until they're 50% off. Look at this, Lakers shirts. These are Nike Lakers shirts. Down to $20. You do get 30% off on top of that. $14 for Lakers shirts. Huge bargain. These are down to $40. These are the Nike Dry Fit Lakers shorts. And, oh, these are youth. These are youth. I was like, oh, they looked a little small. Moving on to XL, got these shorts. KC jersey right here, $70. Got Mariners. This is pretty dope. Oh, my bad. It just says Seattle. My bad. Yeah, it's an All-Star Game jersey. $100. Damn. $100. That's not bad. Betts, did he get traded? I think he got traded. Is he about to get traded? I don't know. But RJ Barrett, who did just get traded, $85. This is a dope Lakers hoodie right here. Got the new logo on it. This is a 47 brand. $113. This is a pregame. Wow. Maybe 50% off, maybe worth it. It's an XL, so it wouldn't fit me anyways, but still. Pretty fire. Pretty fire for you guys. If it fits you, that's what's up. But yeah, maybe will it last? You know, the big thing is, you know, you can wait until it goes to 50% off, but will it last though? Because someone might be willing to pay a little bit more for it. So, you know, that is a bad thing about trying to be patient. I think it is a good time to be patient, but you never know. It's not like you need a whole group of people that want it. You just need one person that's willing to pay for it. So yeah, $20. XL 47 brand Ram shirt. Holy cow. Look, $80 down to 20, get another 30 off. So $16. Got more of these shorts right here. Got a LeBron jersey. This down to 90 right here. I'm wearing the double XL now. Ooh, this is a dope jersey right here. This is a dope jersey. Is this the one with the 3M? 3M all over it? This one is pretty dope. $120, down to $120. I guess you get the 30 off. That's pretty much about it. But some of the Rams gear going for hella cheap. Those just say 72 on it. I don't know what NHL team is that. That's a Fanatics one right there. Old Kevin Durant jersey. I'm just curious to see how much this is going for. $60. I thought that'd be way cheaper. Then got some of the shorts that we saw earlier. Pretty decent selection. Not too bad. We've seen better. We've seen worse. Not too shabby. We're back in the larges. I'm curious to see how much this is going for right here. Let's take a look at the price. $64. Okay. We saw that 47 brand hoodie over there go for cheap, so I was curious to see if it's one of those. Nope. Extreme Board Shop. They've been having all kinds of stuff lately. Not seen too much craziness. Do see these Dunk SB highs right here. Dunk high SBs. Candy corn, and then these as well. I don't remember when these release, but do got all kinds of other on sale. Nike's right here. These are on sale, and I think you get an extra 10% off all the sale items right now. SB Blazer mids. These are down to $50. Like I said, you do get an extra 50% off. It says right there. Oh, it says sale. It says it excludes sales items. My bad. So all the sales items are priced as marked. So $50. Still not bad for SB Blazers right here. Certain nice shots down to $70. Some slip-ons down to $50. These down to $63. Gate highs down to $60. $60 right here. And they do have a bunch of stuff on sale right here as well. Grant Taylor's. These are like a derivative of the Blazers. $50 for these. These are the Bruin Reacts. $50. SB Force 58 right here. Pretty decent looking silhouette. These are down to $50 as well. All right, I'm skipping Champs. I'm skipping Foot Locker. I think I'm gonna skip JD too. Do got Adidas right here. I don't want to show you guys the same thing over and over, and I think some of the sales have been exactly the same everywhere. So yeah, let's look around here. It says 50% off. All right, so it's just certain things, man. Pretty janky, dude. Not a fan of when they do that. These are the Dame 8s. What do you guys think about these? I'm gonna be honest, I think the Dame 7 looked a lot better. Like, these are okay, but I think the Dame 7 looks way better. 130 is 50 off. You got the Harden 8s. I'm just not a fan of the Hardens at all. I thought the last Hardens were a lot nicer looking. These are the 7s, right? I thought the 6s looked a lot better. Like a bright colorway with gum bottom. Not bad. $1.90. No, damn well I'm not paying $1.90 for Ultra Boost. Got forums that I've never seen before. These are pretty nice. I feel like it's a collab. I don't really know who it's a collab with, but these are pretty nice. Super long hair suede, great material, $130. Got these right here as well. Looks like it's the same collab. I don't know who it is though. But yeah. $1.30. And like we've seen these on sale everywhere and it's the regular price here. That's just crazy. Finally some stuff on sale. Women's Ultra Boost right here. $80. Is it $80 and then no, I think the sale price is $80. I've never seen them stack stuff here. At the Adidas outlets they let you stack coupons and stuff like that. And stack discounts. Not here though. Not here. I don't think I showed you guys this Ultra Boost right here. Definitely interesting colorway. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. Does have suede on the back right here as well. Pretty dope. Definitely not paying $180, but pretty dope. We're checking out this lids as well. I think all these are the $10 hats right here. Niners hat. Going for $10. Pro standard. Pretty nice hat. Got Hornets right here. Dang, that Hornets is a fitted hat too. Lakers fitted hat right here. Normally what, $35 down to 15, down to 10. Lakers fitted hat right there. Cuba, freaking Iron Man, is that Iron Man? Lakers hat right here. This one's dope. I feel like I have this one at home. Clippers fitted hat right there. Rams fit. Got a Rams snapback. Is that a Giants hat right there? Clippers fitted hat. That one's actually pretty nice looking. Got Twins right there. Clippers, that's an interesting one. On the clearance rack, so I'm 99% sure these are all $10. $10, that's been the sale lately. Got White Sox right here. Raiders right there. That's an interesting Lakers hat right there. That's an interesting Dodgers hat. Got Yankees. Okay. Chic been hooking it up with the steals. Let's see what's up here. Yo, this place still has these. Remember, you did get that extra 20% off. They still got these for $134 plus 20% off. Pretty close to $100 freaking. Cheaper than the Nike outlets. How do they still have these? These on sale for $140. Oh my goodness. $150 for these. Remember, you do get that extra 20 off. Still got the Jordan 4s here. $210 for these. 11 low IEs. Got 37s on sale. 38s on sale, my bad. Still got 38s on sale. Going for $150. You get that extra discount. Wow. Got several Lucas. Got at least this one on sale. $100 for these. Remember, you do get that extra 20 off. So $80 for those Luca 2s. Okay. Even got the satin breads on sale here as well. Got plenty of J's, man. Plenty of J's. $120 for these. Aren't these the Bad Bunnies? The Bad Bunny Campus. Dude got these bad boys right here. What size is this? But 11 and a half right here. Okay. $80 for Ultra Boost 2? Look at that, $80. Remember, you do get that extra 20 off. $120 for these. $100 for these. You get that extra 20 off on top. And then look at the price for these, the T-Mac 3s. Look at this. Look at this, $32. After the discount, $32 freaking dollars. Holy cow, $32 for these. Wow. And these fools got all kinds of colorways on the Airmore Tempo slides. I gush about these all the freaking time. Dude got these already. I did buy these recently as well, especially with the 20% off. That was $48, something like that. They still got this one on sale. Did I check? I don't know if I like this colorway very much, but they do got them. $50, 20 off, so $40 total. And then this one, I've never even seen this colorway anywhere. I haven't seen these on Nike. I haven't seen these anywhere. I've not seen them anywhere. Pretty dope colorway. Like I said, pretty dope colorway. I wouldn't mind getting these eventually. Yeah, I just ain't paying no $85, but these are dope. These are dope. I have 3 different colorways so far. I'll get them. I'll get more eventually. Got some suede. Oh, look at that long hair suede. Got some suede Cortez right here that I haven't seen anywhere else. $90 freaking dollars. Pretty dope. Got a bunch of different dunks. Air Forces down low. Nike Calm Slides. All the Cortezes right there. Air Max 1s. Air Max 90s. Is this a next gen that was influenced by the Zoom Generations? I never noticed that. Don't think I've seen these anywhere yet. It's his first game, because that is what LeBron wore his first season. But yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. I've never seen that anywhere. Looks just like the Zoom Generations. That's crazy. Some of the malls definitely more interesting than the Nike outlets lately. But yeah, man, definitely worth a visit, especially if there's a chic in the area, especially if there's a Shoe Palace. I think those have had the best sales lately. I skipped half the mall. Today. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. And check out the membership if you guys want to help your boy out with gas, man. Alright, we're out, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. I'm out here in a shady looking parking lot. Actually, I'm here with my boy at work. Classified location. He got an extra one of these, and he got it from one of the local boutiques. And he said he'll just give it to me for retail. So he grabbed 2 of them. Actually, you got 4, huh? You got 2 grade schools, huh? You got 2 grade schools just on sneakers. He got 2 on sneakers too. So I guess I got a few pair of these now. Okay. I'm at In-N-Out. I did get what is this, a milkshake? And I've been curious. Is it gonna taste like a Coke float? I don't know. Let's find out. It's bubbly like a Coke float. Oh, dang it. Does it taste like a Coke float? Kind of, sort of, not really, but not bad.